It starts with having a proven process, one that walks clients through every step from vision through strategy to design, installation, and ongoing support. And it's not just talk, they can actually show you that process and the results. The best companies take time to truly understand you, your ministry, your facility, and your unique needs before proposing any solutions. They're not repackaging what works somewhere else, they're designing what's right for you. They also stay in front of you, not just showing up at install time, but walking with you, solving problems, training your team, and helping your system grow alongside your ministry. And at the heart of it all, the people. The best teams are made up of those who think deeply, care genuinely, and just get it. They get you. That's why our Foresight design process is built to align your system with your ministry's vision, mission, and values. Accessible to volunteers, scalable for growth, and designed with you, not someone else in mind. When you're ready to bring your vision to life with a partner who truly gets it, our team is here to help you take the first step toward a system that grows with your ministry.